初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
The class is starting.
The class is starting.
上课了，
The class is starting.
The class is starting.
Please pay attention.
Please pay attention.
请注意听讲。
Please pay attention.
Please pay attention.
Please take notes.
Please take notes.
请做笔记。
Please take notes.
Please take notes.
Please answer the question.
Please answer the question.
请回答问题。
Please answer the question.
Please answer the question.
Please read the sentence.
Please read the sentence.
请读这个句子。
Please read the sentence.
Please read the sentence.
Please write on the board.
Please write on the board.
请在黑板上写。
Please write on the board.
Please write on the board.
What page are we on?
What page are we on?
我们讲到哪一页了？
What page are we on?
What page are we on?
Can you explain this part?
Can you explain this part?
你能解释这部分吗？
Can you explain this part?
Can you explain this part?
I don't know the answer.
I don't know the answer.
我不知道答案。
I don't know the answer.
I don't know the answer.
I need more practice.
I need more practice.
我需要更多练习。
I need more practice.
I need more practice.
Let's go to the playground.
Let's go to the playground.
我们去操场吧。
Let's go to the playground.
Let's go to the playground.
Let's play basketball.
Let's play basketball.
我们打篮球吧。
Let's play basketball.
Let's play basketball.
Let's play soccer.
Let's play soccer.
我们踢足球吧。
Let's play soccer.
Let's play soccer.
Do you want to play badminton?
Do you want to play badminton?
你想打羽毛球吗？
Do you want to play badminton?
Do you want to play badminton?
Do you want to jump rope?
Do you want to jump rope?
你想跳绳吗？
Do you want to jump rope?
Do you want to jump rope?
Let's run around the track.
Let's run around the track.
我们绕着跑道跑步吧。
Let's run around the track.
Let's run around the track.
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
你想要些水吗？
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
Let's sit under the tree.
Let's sit under the tree.
我们坐在树下吧。
Let's sit under the tree.
Let's sit under the tree.
The bell is ringing.
The bell is ringing.
铃声响了，
The bell is ringing.
The bell is ringing.
Let's go back to class.
Let's go back to class.
我们回教室吧。
Let's go back to class.
Let's go back to class.
Let's go to the library.
Let's go to the library.
我们去图书馆吧。
Let's go to the library.
Let's go to the library.
Where is the English book?
Where's the English book?
英语书在哪里？
Where is the English book?
Where's the English book?
Where is the science book?
Where's the science book?
科学书在哪里？
Where is the science book?
Where's the science book?
Can I borrow this book?
Can I borrow this book?
我可以借这本书吗？
Can I borrow this book?
Can I borrow this book?
When should I return it?
When should I return it?
我应该什么时候还？
When should I return it?
When should I return it?
Please keep quiet.
Please keep quiet.
请保持安静。
Please keep quiet.
Please keep quiet.
Please use a bookmark.
Please use a bookmark.
请使用书签。
Please use a bookmark.
Please use a bookmark.
I like this story.
I like this story.
我喜欢这个故事。
I like this story.
I like this story.
This book is very interesting.
This book is very interesting.
这本书非常有趣。
This book is very interesting.
This book is very interesting.
I want to read more.
I want to read more.
我想读更多。
I want to read more.
I want to read more.
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
我可以坐这里吗？
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Can we share this book?
Can we share this book?
我们可以共用这本书吗？
Can we share this book?
Can we share this book?
Can I copy the notes?
Can I copy the notes?
我可以抄笔记吗？
Can I copy the notes?
Can I copy the notes?
Do you want to study together?
Do you want to study together?
你想一起学习吗？
Do you want to study together?
Do you want to study together?
Do you understand this question?
Do you understand this question?
你理解这个问题吗？
Do you understand this question?
Do you understand this question?
Let's prepare for the test.
Let's prepare for the test.
我们准备考试吧。
Let's prepare for the test.
Let's prepare for the test.
Let's review the homework.
Let's review the homework.
我们复习作业吧。
Let's review the homework.
Let's review the homework.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
你能帮我这个吗？
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Let's walk home together.
Let's walk home together.
我们一起走回家吧。
Let's walk home together.
Let's walk home together.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。